Okay, so today I want to show you my Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer. Um, you can do a lot of different things with this. Of course, you can cut it like it's a straight edge to mat your pictures, but I would like to start off by making a frame, and I want to make a 1-inch frame. So what I'm going to do to make my 1-inch frame is I'm going to take my 12 by 12 piece of paper, and I'm going to line it up at the 11-inch mark. Now that means that I'm going to have an inch on this far side over here. Now the trimmer, you'll notice this mark right here. And so that tells you where you're going to start cutting. On the far side of this, let me turn it so you can see it better. You go, so you can see the 1-inch, the 2-inch, the 3-inch, those marks. And so since I want it to be 1-inch all the way around, I'm going to start here at the 1-inch mark. So I've got a 1-inch coming from the left, and then I've got a 1-inch that I've moved down where I'm going to cut first. So I'm going to line that up, and then I'm going to push down. Now this is the straight blade, so this is just going to cut a straight edge. And I'm going to go all the way down until I get to the 11. And you kind of have to just watch. Get to the 11 mark, and then you can release the pressure. I'm going to turn my paper. And now you really do have your starting point, but I'm still going to line up at the 11, and you should be at the 1-inch on the right side too. So I'm going to run my blade back up. Remember, we're making a frame, a 1-inch frame, and I'm going to find my 1-inch mark. That's where I'm going to put the pressure on it to push it down and to cut. And I'm going to cut until I get to the 11-inch mark. And then I will release it, and I'm going to turn my paper again. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing 2 more times. Okay, that's my 3rd cut. I've got 1 more to do. Line that up. Run it back up to the 1-inch mark. Put my pressure down, and then come down to the 11. I will have my frame. Okay, so here I have my frame that I can put my pictures in. I'm saving paper, right? Because instead of laying this entire piece of paper down, now I can put another color. If I wanted to, I could put, like for example, I've just got this orange down here, but we wanted it to be bright, I could frame it out like that and use the orange in the background. Okay, so that's how you make a 1-inch frame. And this is what I learned during the February. I figured this out during the February virtual crop, just because I needed to make a frame, and so that's how you do that. So I got to teach you that tonight. One other thing I want to show you about the 12-inch trimmer, or maybe we just make another video. I will, the next time I use the 12-inch trimmer, I will show you how to mat your pictures using the 12-inch trimmer.